I've been at this location for about 30 years, a little bit over that. And I've been working with clay professionally for over 40 years now. So I consider myself a clay sculptor. I have a clay body that I've developed, that I have made in Chelsea, and I go through maybe 16,000 pounds a year, and I hand built each piece. So they're hollow inside, so I think of them as large pots, just that mine sort of grew. And I can go up to 8 feet tall with these pieces. It's just, the older I get, it seems like the bigger they are, the heavier they are. And I should probably become a jeweler and work smaller, but it's not happening. So. Well, I've been evolving. I started out going to shamanic sculpture workshops where they would take you into a guided meditation, and then you get imagery, and then I would find that imagery and then I'd make the pieces. So my stuff has a sort of a, not spiritual, but some kind of mythological point of view with it. I like to think of my stuff looking timeless. That's why I don't put hair on my figures or clothes on them, because that dates the sculptures. So I've been evolving, and I find that some pieces are more popular than others. My animals are pretty popular. I think the figures, they come and go with the general public and what's going on. So I call them birdzels, and it's sort of like my Snoop Dogg homage to a bird. And that grouping is going to a boutique hotel in Wisconsin, so I'm excited about that. I wish I knew how many countries my stuff is in. More than a hand, maybe 2 hands worth, and I'm in museum collections. That doesn't mean anything. It's all the kind of stuff that you're doing now. If people like your work, they like it. If they don't, then they don't. It's an acquired taste. My stuff's not for everybody. But, so everyone's welcome to come to the studio. I try not to scare anybody. Please ask questions when you come. So.